Huh? Hiccup! Oh, that was weird. What was that? Hiccup! Oh, I just fell into the ground. Whatever. Oh well, I'm gonna go take a shower. Okay, time to take a shower before I go to work. Oof. Oof. Oh, Jesus. What was that? Anyways, as I was saying, I'm gonna take a shower. Ugh, well, nothing's gonna stop me from taking a shower. Don't take a shower. Oh, why can't I just take a shower? You know what? Just forget about taking a shower. I'll skip. You know what? Never mind. I don't care. Okay, time to eat something. So what should I do? Ooh, maybe I can spread some blue band on my bread. Yeah. Okay, I guess not. Maybe I'll just skip. Eating breakfast too, I guess. Well, time to go to work. 1 hour later. Hey, what's taking my food so long? I have been waiting for 1 hour. Well, where's my food? Well, how am I supposed to know? I am really just a cashier. I don't even cook the food. I only take people's orders. It's probably Spongebob's fault for not bringing you your patties. And you just gotta wait for him. Jeez, don't bother me. I want it now! Where's my Krabby Patty? Okay, you know what? That's it. I'm done with this. I'm gonna go in the kitchen, see why SpongeBob is not bringing you guys the patty yet, just so you can stop bothering me. SpongeBob, where's that Krabby Patty? A customer has been waiting for a Krabby Patty for 1 hour. Where is that food? Man, you have to hurry. I mean, the customers have been waiting all day. I mean, not all day. I just already said for like an hour. But still, seriously, where is that patty? Wait, what? Ew. Don't worry about it, Squid. I'm almost done with the patty. SpongeBob, are you okay? It looks like you're hiccuping. Oh yeah, I just can't stop hiccuping. Hiccup! Anyways, hiccup! The Krabby Patty's down now. This is the Krabby Patty. I cleaned it. Maybe I can take the Krabby Patty to the customer. I know you're not hiccuping too well, and you know you just dropped that Krabby Patty. I already cleaned it. Okay, whatever. Maybe I can take to the customer. Nah, here I'm fine. You just go on break. I got this. Hiccup. Oh, are you sure? Yes, I'm 100% sure. Now let me just take it to the customer. Oops. Okay, whatever. Man, I didn't even know SpongeBob hiccups. I never even see him hiccuping, but okay. Here you go, customer. Hiccup! The crab pat's down now. Well, it's about time my crab pat's here. Alright, time to take this to Luigi. Enjoy! Uh-oh. Hiccup! happened? Uh-oh. So, this is what I thought. I just came into this restaurant to order a Krabby Patty. And you just spit on my Krabby Patty. You just scared me and then you stepped and made me make my Krabby Patty a mess. I'm sorry, so I didn't mean to. Maybe I can make you a new Krabby Patty. Oh, I am not. No, I don't. No, I'm not. No, you can't. No. No, please don't make me another Krabby Patty. I don't care. I'm just gonna go home. I don't even want to pay. I was even gonna give you $10, but instead, you just started making me pour my Krabby Patty. So I'm going home. Goodbye. I'm never coming to this garbage again. Uh-oh. Yes. Checking me your money to see how I got. Alright, let's check. Ooh, 10 million is okay. Ooh, how about 2,000? Ooh, 3 million. Ooh, oh yeah, look at that money. I'm gonna keep it. Oh man, I'm gonna be so rich. Oh my god. Oh wait, hold up. Is that another money again? Wait. Oh, a customer leaving the Krusty Krab. Oh no! I am leaving this restaurant now. Goodbye. I'm leaving now. Wait! Come back. Where are you going? Didn't pay yet? I'm going home already. Duh. No, please. If you tell me your opinion, I'll make you a new Krabby Patty. And you have to give me all your money. I mean, I'll have to apologize to you. Yeah. I mean, I didn't even do anything to you, but okay. Okay, so I asked for a Krabby Patty. Okay. And then, when it was taking for an hour, some guy, a yellow sponge that looks exactly like that one right over there, started scaring me, and then he made me drop my food. What? Yeah, and I am never coming back to this restaurant ever again. I'm not gonna pay for it. I don't care if it's a restaurant or not, or if it's important. Goodbye. Bob, you came here pretty quick. I always come next to you. I always come next to you whenever you're so angry. Oh, okay, whatever. Anyways, boy, I think it's time we have a meeting at my office. Okay? Okay, sir, what is it? So, boy, what's the matter with you? A customer just left because of you. You just scared him and you made him pour his Krabby Patty. What is wrong with you? I'm sorry, sir. It's just that I got the hiccup. You got the hiccups? Hiccup. Yeah, won't explain much. Hiccup. Look, boy, I'm sorry, but I'm afraid you're gonna have to go home. The health inspector is gonna be here any minute, and he's gonna order a Krabby Patty. And we don't want you to do the same thing, boy. I know we really don't want you to leave, but I'm sorry, boy. It's a must. No way, Mr. Krabs. Please, just give me one more chance. I promise I'll stop hiccuping. Alright, fine. I'll go home. Excellent. Well, time to get ready. Why can't I just stop these hiccups? Oh well, maybe I'll just lay here, wait for my hiccups to go. I'm gonna go take a rest. 3 hours later. Time to check how SpongeBob's doing. Hello? Hello? Huh. I wonder why SpongeBob is not answering me. He always answers the door whenever I'm knocking, or else someone's knocking. There's gotta be another way to SpongeBob's house. Ooh, that's unusual. Man, I didn't even know SpongeBob opens his window. Huh. Well, I mean, I guess I'll go in. I mean, he's my friend. He always lets me in. All right, time to go in. Yeah. All right, I'm in. Now to find SpongeBob. SpongeBob, SpongeBob. And also, why am I in the kitchen? Oh well. SpongeBob, are you in here? SpongeBob. Hey, buddy, wake up! Oh my god! What the? Patrick? What are you doing inside my house? How'd you even get here? Oh well, the window was open, so I decided to get in the window. But how do you? Oh, whatever. Hey, SpongeBob, ready to go jellyfishing today? It is Saturday today. You know what, Patrick? I'm sorry, but I wish I could, but I got the hiccups. I'm sorry, I can't go to jellyfishes right now. Sorry. Oh man, I can't believe my friend got the hiccups. Well, don't worry, SpongeBob. I know the way how to get you rid of your hiccups. How on earth are you gonna do that? Just come with me. Okay, SpongeBob. So, if you want to get rid of your hiccups, then you have to drink this toilet water that I got from the toilet. It's only half, okay? Okay, wait. Did you just say you came from the toilet? Yeah. It's toilet water. Yeah. We took it from the toilet. Yeah. My toilet. Yeah. Well, I'm not drinking the stuff. Come on, SpongeBob, please, just do it. It's gonna help you get rid of your hiccups. Come on, just drink it. Just drink a sip, man. I used to do this whenever I have hiccups too. Ugh. Okay. Oh my god, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. Go on. Oi. Okay, I'm done. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna throw up. Well done, SpongeBob, well done. So, are your hiccups gone? Huh, I think they did. Nope, they did not. Oh, darn it. Well, we gotta try more things then. Come on. Okay, SpongeBob, for the next challenge, I'm gonna put you inside this microwave and then turn the microwave on, then I'll leave you for 24 hours. Are you kidding me? There's no way in hell I'm gonna go inside. Come on. Fine, let's do this. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Okay, it's on. Now I just gotta press the buttons. There. I'll just leave him in there for 24 hours. 24 hours later. Okay, let's see how SpongeBob's doing. was the hardest thing I've ever had to do. Ugh. So how you feeling? Are your hiccups gone? Hiccup? No. Oh darn. How about now? No. How about now? No. Ah! How about now? Nope. Oh. How about now? No. How about now? No. I can't believe it, Spongebob. You tried everything to get rid of your hiccups. Yeah, and also I'm feeling pain. Oh, I just wish there was like some way we can help. Wait a minute, SpongeBob. Oh, what is it, Patrick? I just thought of an idea. Okay, so what's your idea, Patrick? Okay, so we tried everything, right? Yeah. Okay, so what if we call a doctor? Then we tell him to come back. We tell him that my friend is hiccuping too much, okay? And then maybe you'll feel better. Seriously, a doctor? How on earth is a doctor gonna help? Trust me, SpongeBob, just trust me. I've seen so many people try doctors before when they had hiccups. I mean, hiccups is not one of the sickness. But I guess we'll try it. Spirit SpongeBob, let me go get your phone, okay? Get the phone. Let's call the doctor. Okay. Okay. Call the doctor, so he should be picking up any some. Hello? Yes, this is Dr. Cat. What would you like today, my patient? Oh, actually, I'm not the sick one. I mean, SpongeBob not even sick, but my friend over here has the hiccups, and we were thinking you could help us. Okay, you can come right away. That it? Yep. All right, we'll be there in 20 minutes. Bye. Okay, SpongeBob, let's go. All right. 1 hour later. I hope this is the right place, Patrick, because they said we should come here. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Are you the doctor? Wait, are you the doctor? Oh, yes, I am. So, what could be the problem today? I'm pretty sure I just said on the phone. Okay, guys, let me. Oh yeah. Okay, guys, let me Google search on my laptop to see how to get rid of the hiccups. Okay. 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 Let's search. 2 minutes later. Okay, SpongeBob. I knew how to get the hiccups away, but it's not gonna be very good, huh? You won't like it. Not very good, huh? Well, having one of the hiccups, not one that I love, and it's not good. So I'll do it. I'm a sponge. I can be brave. That's my boy. All right, come with me. Okay, SpongeBob. So the way how to get rid of the hiccups is to get inside this hat and stay there for like 3 hours. Yeah. Are you kidding me? That is how it's supposed to work. And it's set on my laptop. So yeah. Okay. Let's get this over with. 3 hours later. So SpongeBob, how you feel? I feel great. I don't think I have the hiccups anymore. Wow. I guess it really worked. Oh wow, that's cool. Yeah, that is. Alright, SpongeBob, well, at least now that you don't have the hiccups, what do you want to do now, buddy? I think I wanna go rest and watch TV. Ah, I think, I think I, I think I wanna do that. Yeah, I just wanna rest and watch TV. Wait for me, buddy. Hiccup. Uh-oh. Hiccup. Hiccup. Hiccup.
In the last 3 weeks since your father died, you've been obsessed with who he was.
Oh, doctor, I have a question. Yeah, what is it? Why am I inside this dispenser? Because, Patrick, because you're gonna have to stay in there for a couple of days, okay? A couple of days? Yeah, pretty much. Why can't I just do the same thing like SpongeBob? Because that's what my laptop said. Oh, okay. But what if I don't? But what if I get hungry or thirsty? Oh, don't worry. I'll get you a Krabby Patty. Only if you behave. Okay, I'll behave. Good. Now stay in there. Lock up it. There we go. I have to go take a pee. Hiccup.